Did you know there are over 600 million products on Amazon? And guess what? In this tech jungle, there's a hidden treasure trove of gadgets that are so cheap yet so eye-raisingly dangerous. Today we're unearthing this wild west of gadgets that aren't just cool, they're straight up underground. So let's get right into it. Number 1. Mini Spy Camera Pen. Get next-level undercover action with HD 1080p Mini Camera Pen. This sleek spy gadget isn't just about capturing crystal-clear videos and photos. It's a total game-changer. With a single button, you're in stealth mode, recording and stopping with ease. And here's the underground scoop. Its covert design makes it perfect for sneaky surveillance. But remember, with great power comes responsibility. It's discreet, clips anywhere, and whether it's for home, work, or just some epic detective fun, this gadget's got you covered. Number 2. Mini Flamethrower. Bring the heat with this pencil-shaped flame torch. This mini powerhouse isn't your average tool. It's a game-changer for precision heating, from soldering to searing sous vide steaks. But here's the underground twist. Its versatility might make you a kitchen pro, but handle it with caution. This torch is a mini propane beast, adjusting flames with a flick and fitting perfectly with various fuel cylinders. We're talking about a fire-starting, metal-melting champ. Number 3. Infrared Night Vision Goggles. Say yes to nighttime adventures with this night vision infrared monocular. This isn't your typical night vision gear, it's like having superpowers in the dark. But here's the hush-hush. With its ability to see in total darkness, it's a stealthy gadget, but handle it wisely. Sporting a no-glow infrared illuminator and a 5x digital zoom, this monocular reveals details like never before. With a range of 984 feet, this lightweight wonder fits in your pocket for covert missions or wildlife observation. It's the ultimate tool for epic explorations and secret surveillance. Number 4. Mini Crossbow. Welcome to power-packed fun with our speedy crossbow. Here's the low-key deal. While it's incredible for hunting and target practice, it packs a punch, so handle with caution. Clocking in at 330 feet per second, this compact lightweight wonder is like carrying binoculars. And shh, it's silent but deadly. With a quick 3-second preload, you're always ready for action. Perfect for adventures, hunting trips, or just showing off your sharpshooting skills. Number 5. Cyanide Pill Necklace. This isn't just jewelry, it's a whole vibe. But hey, here's the glittery scoop. While it's eye-catching and gorgeously bedazzled, handle it with care in appropriate environments because it might pose a bad influence. Crafted from premium brass and decked out with pave cubic zirconia stones, this pendant is pure elegance. It's the ultimate gift for any occasion or the perfect accessory to level up your glam game at parties or special events. Number 6. Hidden Flask Bracelet. The blush rose gold bracelet bangle flask, where style meets stealthy sips. This chic accessory doubles as a hidden flask for discreet drinks on the go. Crafted elegantly with safe materials, it's compact, magnetically sealed, and the ultimate party companion. Perfect for liquors or mixers, it's not just a bracelet, it's a statement piece with a fun twist. Number 7. DIY Tattoo Kit. Discover the handmade tattoo pen, not just art, but a discreet underground tool. Its precision isn't just for beauty, it's a potent device, hence the underground status. While it's a staple for tattoo artists, handling tattoo equipment requires skill and care, adding an element of risk. This crafty pen is more than meets the eye. It's a versatile yet potentially hazardous gadget reserved for the ink-savvy pros in the underground tattoo world. Hey, if you're loving these gadget discoveries, why not join our tech tribe? Hit that subscribe button below and let's explore the coolest tech together every week. Don't miss out on the next gadget unveilings. Number 8. Pocket Chainsaw. Unleash your inner outdoorsy hero with this badass pocket chainsaw. This isn't your typical saw, it's a portable powerhouse. But here's the underground buzz. It's not just about the convenience, it's a mighty tool with potential hazards. Made for serious wood-cutting action, it's not your run-of-the-mill pocket saw. Crafted with hardcore steel and bidirectional cutting teeth, it's a beast for outdoor adventures. From hiking trails to conquering the wild, it's a must-have for the adventurous soul. Number 9. Bullet Bottle Opener. Level up your style game with this small bottle opener keychain. This isn't just your average keychain, it's a pocket-sized fashion statement. But hey, here's the sly twist. While it's a slick accessory, handle it with care because, those edges can be surprisingly sharp. Perfect for parties or pub nights, it's the ultimate combo of cool and utility in your pocket. Number 10. Exploding golf balls. Tee off the ultimate prank with these exploding golf balls. These ain't just your regular golf gear, it's a game changer for hilarious rounds. But hey, here's the hush-hush. While it's a blast to prank pals, handle them wisely. Those bursts are surprisingly loud. Fool your buddies and add a dash of laughter to any golf game. It's the perfect gag gift for the golfer with a side of humor. Number 11. Infrared heat lamp for pain relief. Meet the infrared light therapy lamp, your skin's secret weapon. It's not just a lamp, it's a wellness booster. But here's the deal, while it's a glow-up genie, handle it with care. It's got serious heat. Get improved circulation, boosted metabolism, and a detox. Easy to use, but keep your distance for that radiant glow without the burn. Number 12. Miniature tear gas keychain. Saber pepper spray, the go-to for real safety. Trusted by cops worldwide, it's made for real-life situations. With 2x strength against drug or alcohol-fueled threats and 5x protection from multiple attackers, this tear gas powerhouse means serious business. Easy to grip, quick to release, stay safe in seconds. It's not just a spray, it's your backup plan. It's uncommon and potentially hazardous due to the miniaturized form of a typically larger self-defense item. Number 13. Decoy Safe Outlet. Level up your security game with this professional-grade wall safe. Foolproof and discreet, it's your secret stash spot. With magnet access or screw lock options, hide cash, jewelry, or valuables in plain sight. Installation's a breeze, no special tools needed. Paintable grill, false wall, and multiple hardware choices for added secrecy. Made in the USA, it's security with style. It's discreet because it allows you to hide valuables from plain sight in a rather unusual way. Number 14. Miniature Stun Gun Keychain. A keychain that doubles as a stun gun, offering compact yet potentially dangerous functionality. It can be dangerous due to the uncommon integration of self-defense technology into a keychain-sized gadget. Anyway, powerful and portable, this mini stun gun offers a punch despite its size, ensuring safety in critical moments. Featuring an integrated LED flashlight for added convenience, it's not just about defense but practicality too. With a built-in charger, it's always ready for action. Compact and concealable, this keychain self-defense is your discreet yet reliable safety companion. Remember, these gadgets may have entertaining or novelty aspects, but they can also pose significant risks and legal issues. Always use them responsibly and in accordance with the law. Thanks for tuning in. If you dig what we're showcasing here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to never miss out on our latest gadget hunts. Join the tech adventure and let's geek out together. See you in the next video.